I stare as a bird flies above, wings outstretched and free. I call for it in jealousy, yet knowingly in vain. For the bird can't hear me from this distance. It has left the dreary land for the boundless sky, so that it's nothing more than a speck of dust in my eye. And here I am, left to mull over the dreariness of the world.
This is the last time I'm warning you. If you don't pay rent by this week, you're out.
It must be nice to see the beauty from above, but I was never the one to take flight. Even now, that hasn't changed. The slightest whistle of the wind or the chirping of a bird reminds me of what could have been. For a moment, I remembered the feel of your embrace, your wings shielding me from this harsh reality. And now there is a hole in my heart, a spot saved for my thoughts of you. If there was anything I learned from watching you spread your wings, it was that you had to unchain yourself. Maybe one day I'll learn to not just follow, but fly. And we'll meet again in the boundless sky.